Things that are going to be needed for this project. You're going to need one candle holder, one vase, some type of beading, lots of beading, maybe a roll, some white flowers, and some white beads. All of this can be purchased at the Dollar Tree. Aside from the beads, you might be able to get a different type of beads, but I did get these at Hobby Lobby in a roll. I think they were a couple bucks. I used my 40% off coupon, so they were very cheap. And you're obviously going to need a glue gun and glue sticks. And let's get started. So one thing I did forget to mention is you're going to need white spray paint. I'm just going to spray paint this glass white. You can also use acrylic white paint if you choose, or you don't have to use anything. I'm going to go ahead and spray this out. I don't have a lot left, so I'm hoping that I will have enough. Okay, now while the other thing is drying, I'm going to start on this piece of glass. Now what I want to do is bead this around it. And I don't know how easy or hard this is going to be, but I guess we will see. So I'm going to start with, I tried to make these even and they're a little bit uneven. I'm going to start with the small one and I'm just going to do it this. I'm just going to dab a little glue to give it a start. Go around, dab a little glue here and there. Okay, so now that this is dry, I've decided I'm going to go ahead and add some beads at the bottom. So I'm just going to start right here. Okay, so now I went ahead and decided to add this. I just thought it looked better, so I'm going to put a little bit of E6000 glue. And we're going to go ahead and put some E6000 on the top of this. And some hot glue. It's just a simple but elegant little piece. You can put any flowers. I decided to put these simple white flowers. You could put pink flowers, any kind of flowers you want. I just thought it was a really nice, pretty, and very petite looking little flower idea. And the beads don't show up as good as they do in person. How here I just changed out the flower. I just put one simple hydrangea you could see inside of the beads. I just stuck one hydrangea on there, and look how pretty that looks. And here I just put it as an accessory, bathroom accessory, and you just have the bath beads. So that's another idea. And see how pretty that looks? Can't really see the beads, but they are just beautiful. They are really beautiful. And here I just put it up here and filled it with a couple of nice bath bars. So you can see how that works. Looks really cute. And here, last but not least, I put some pretty little hand towels, and I thought that was a really unique little idea. You can use it as that. There's just endless ideas that you can use this pretty little jar for. So that is it for my DIY. I hope you liked it, and I will see you again. Bye-bye.